To make a QR code for audio using Socially, start by visiting the Socially website and accessing the QR code generator. You have two options. If your audio is already hosted on a platform like SoundCloud or Google Drive, select the URL option, paste the shareable link, and generate the QR code. Alternatively, if you'd prefer to upload the audio directly, log in to Socially, click the Add button, select Audio from the drop-down menu, give your audio a title, and upload the file. Socially offers two types of QR codes, static and dynamic. The static QR code shown for each item on the edit page is unchangeable once shared. It will always link to the original content. The dynamic QR code, located at the bottom right of your profile as a main QR code, is a short URL to your entire profile. This dynamic QR code will display all the content you've set to share on your profile, including audio, which can be updated or edited at any time. Initially, all content is turned off for visibility. To make it visible, toggle the small red button next to each item. If you choose to share your complete profile using the dynamic QR code, Socially allows you to track the number of visits, providing insight into viewer engagement across all your shared content. Now you're ready to share your audio as a QR code, and control how you share it based on your preferences.